let's talk about a big name in Tamil Nadu engineering admissions, the Government College of Technology in Coimbatore. You'll know it by its TNEA Code 2005. So in this breakdown, we're going to look at what really makes this college a top contender for so many students.
So where does its reputation come from? Well, it's built on a seriously long and impressive history. The college's journey started way back in 1945. That makes it one of the oldest, most established engineering colleges in the entire state.
Now this is a huge point, especially for parents watching. Admission here is 100% based on your academic merit. It's all done through the government's TNEA counseling. There's no management quota, no backdoor entry, just merit.
So let's start right there. Let's dive a little deeper into that very foundation, the college's incredible legacy of merit.
The story begins in 1945, when it was known as the Arthur Hope College of Technology. Just 5 years later, in 1950, it became GCT and moved to the massive campus it's on today. And here's a real landmark moment. In 1959, its main building was inaugurated by none other than Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was the Vice President of India at the time. And since 2001, it's been affiliated with Anna University Chennai, which is, a cornerstone of technical education in the state.
What's really fascinating is who was behind its creation. The support of the great industrialist G.D. Naidu was absolutely crucial. This connection, right from the start, has really cemented the college's identity within Coimbatore's famous industrial ecosystem.
All right, so to put it all together, GCT is a government-funded, autonomous co-ed college. Its entire identity really is built on this simple, powerful promise, giving you access to top-notch engineering education based purely on your performance through the TNA process.
Okay, a great history is one thing, but what about the academics right now? Let's get into the framework of quality that supports every single degree they offer.
First things first, the mandatory check. Yes, the college is fully approved by the All India Council for Technical Education, the AICTE, for the upcoming academic year. That's a green light.
Now NBA accreditation, that's a huge deal, right? It's basically a stamp of quality for a specific program. And at GCT, 7 of their undergraduate programs have it. We're talking about the core branches: civil, mechanical, EEE, ECE, production, E&I, and of course, computer science. And look at the validity. Some are accredited all the way until 2028. That's a great assurance of high academic standards.
The college offers a really solid lineup of BE and BTech programs. You've got all the core branches, plus others like information technology and industrial biotechnology. But check this out. This shows they're keeping up with the times. They've just introduced a new program in computer science and engineering with a specialization in AI and ML.
So, what does this all mean in terms of seats? Well, the total number of approved undergraduate spots that you can get through TNEA counseling is 720.
All right, academics are solid, but college is more than just classrooms, right? So let's talk about the environment that nurtures student growth, the campus and the community. This is a big one for students coming from other districts, and for their parents too. The college has extensive on-campus hostel facilities. We're talking about 7 separate blocks for boys and 4 blocks for girls. And that's not just a small setup. The total capacity of these hostels is around 2,600 students. That's a huge advantage, as it means a large number of students can live right there on campus in a safe and focused environment.
The campus itself is massive, a sprawling 111 acres. For your studies, you've got a library with over a lakh books and Wi-Fi that covers the whole campus, including the hostels. And for when you need a break, there are plenty of sports facilities for both outdoor and indoor games. Oh, and it's also good to know that the mess facilities are completely vegetarian.
So how does a college like GCT build engineers who are ready for the future? The answer is pretty clear: a strong focus on research and real connections with the industry.
The college works directly with some major industry players to develop student skills. I'm talking about big names like TCS Ion, Infosys Springboard, and L&T EduTech. These kinds of partnerships mean students get direct access to training and certifications that the industry actually values, giving them a real competitive edge.
This is really impressive. GCT has 2 specialized centers of excellence, and they were set up with funding from the World Bank-supported TEQIP project. These centers are focused on high-demand fields like environmental studies and alternate energy research, which shows a serious commitment to cutting-edge R&D.
Okay, so this all brings us to the most important question, doesn't it? What are the results? Let's take a look at the college's actual record of achievement. For any student or parent, this is the bottom line. After 4 years of hard work at a government college, What's the tangible return on that investment?
Well, the college's own data, reported to TNEA for 2025, gives a pretty direct answer, a placement rate of 93%. A number like that really speaks for itself, doesn't it? It says a lot about the value of a degree from here.
And it's not just about placements. The college has earned some serious recognition on a national level. It's ranked in the 201-300 band for engineering by the NIRF. It has successfully received funding from all 3 phases of the prestigious World Bank TechHip grants, and maybe the biggest feather in its cap, it was chosen as a mentor institution to guide other engineering colleges. That's a true sign of established quality.
Just a quick note, all the information we presented here is based on data we sourced from the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time we put this together.
So, to sum it up, Government College of Technology Coimbatore really stands on a powerful foundation of merit, a deep history, and very strong outcomes. To explore more engineering colleges, visit profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.